So what do I mean when I say token gating? I'm generally talking about a mechanism by which any creator or merchant or anyone with something of value can protect that product or service behind a form of utility like this gate that will only open for people who have particular tokens on the blockchain. You may have heard of NFTs, you may have some NFTs, and if you don't, again, I have more basic videos for how to get started in the description, but I'm going to walk you through the version of token gates that is expressed by the Naptcha app, and to give you an idea of how you, as a filmmaker or a video creator, could take advantage of this for your business. So clicking Start Auth, we connect our wallets. In this case, it's a browser-based wallet called Nami. We're clicking Access in order to view balance and address and to request approval for transactions. So Nami looks into the contents of your wallet, and based on which NFTs you have and which website you're on, you will have a variety of options, 0, 1, or multiple options for consumers to choose from in order to take advantage of the utility behind that gate. And in this case, we're talking about video gates. You would click on one in order to see the details and then visit the website to authenticate and go back to the screen. In this case, the gate that I showed you is inactive or capped out. So as I show you how to make a token gate, you're going to be able to dictate how many times the gate can be used, unlimited or one or more times. You get to dictate which token or token series should be the trigger, and you get to dictate which website that it works on. So since we don't have any active token gates at the moment, let's make one. This is the interface for SproutVideo. It's SproutVideo.com. I'll put a link in the description. It's essentially like Vimeo or YouTube. It's a private video hosting provider. What I like about SproutVideo is the ability to restrict playing by a particular domain or IP address, which means that if you combine that with the security of verifying token ownership, you can sell these keys, these digital passes to your video content. So let's find a video to upload. We will go with a video of a mushroom being protected by a nice puffy bed of sea moss. Now, one thing I'd like to show you in regards to SproutVideo is additional video settings down here. You can restrict playing by domain. Now, why would we want to restrict a domain to a video that's already been token gated? It helps prevent people from sharing links that are provided in stream. It provides an additional layer of security, makes it much harder for anybody else to get in. And under poster frame, you can upload your own custom frame if you like. I always use the same one for these tests. And that's it. You'll see in embed code here underneath the preview. We're going to get to that in a minute. Now let's get started with using Naptcha for the token gate. So this is the Naptcha homepage. The first thing you'll notice is the disclaimer for the beta phase that it's currently in. This app shouldn't be used for real world projects at the moment. However, you can contact Naptcha directly if you need a clone of the server dedicated to a real world project. That can be worked out. However, what I'm showing you now is going to give you a good idea of what you'll be able to make once Naptcha comes out of beta phase. And if you'd like to support development, you can obviously buy a login token right here and make these gates yourself. So we'll be using our browser wallet to connect called Nami. And in the case that you don't have an account, you'll be invited to register one and fill out a biography, a display name, a website, a Twitter handle. We're going to go to the My Gates section on the left. So this is the screen where you'll see a list of gates that you've created. You can edit or delete them here. And at the very bottom of this page is an on-page script. You'll want to click it one time in order to paste it on the website you want it to work on. This is a tester website called Nessie Club. It's used to set up token gates to show people that have not used the tool yet. Where you see Start Auth, this button, and status bar here, that is the visual representation of this copy-paste script that I just showed you. So let's create our first token gate. And maybe we will call it Mushrooms on Snow, a test video gate using Sprout. Under activation, mark it active immediately. That tool is good for setting up a gate that you'd like to be active in the future. A utility category is used for the gate marketplace that has not launched yet. Your gates, if you like, should be public for people to browse and try out themselves. The gate conditions section. So, if you know your NFT's policy ID, you can restrict access to the video by policy ID. If you have a video that is meant for exactly one person, then you should probably use policy and asset ID. If you fill this section out, then only one person with that one particular token can get in. In this case, we're going to make a video that anybody within a policy can access. Then we will go to our test website. The exact web page that we want the utility to work on goes under here, domain URL. For a use cap, in this case, we'll make it work 123 times. Gate abilities. Under this dropdown, you're going to find a variety of features that are either finished or in development. The SproutVideo gate is completely done, and it also comes with some reminders of how to go through it if you don't remember anything from this video. So what we will do is we will copy and paste the SproutVideo link, the embed code, and instead of the whole thing, we only need these identifiers here, this little snippet in the middle. Once you save, you'll have a gate in the system. And we can go straight to the website again. This test website should represent your website in order to show off this authorization. So let's go. Excellent. So you have here this new option, Mushrooms on Snow. I'll click on it for the details, then go back to the website. And this is how third-party websites like yours can take advantage of a secure method of video streaming to monetize your creative content. Pretty cool, right? If you want more information on how it works, you can check out our Twitter page. You can also go to the Naptcha app itself and buy a beta tester login token. There are still plenty left, and you can make these gates yourself. Help us test this thing. All right, that's all for now. Thank you very much.